Hey, this is Dave Espino, and I've been making money online for over 23 years. And today, my online businesses make me money every single day and in many different ways. If you want the truth about making money every day on autopilot, then watch this video all the way to the end. If you're ready to see how it's done, let's get started. So today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a really exciting business model because you don't have to create a product and you don't have to write the sales copy for the product. All of that has been done for you. All you do is promote the product online. Now, today I want to tell you the truth about affiliate marketing because there's a lot of mistruths and half-truths out there about affiliate marketing. They try to make it sound like it's super easy, and it can be if you do it right, but if you do it wrong or if you do it the way most people promote, you're not going to have the success that you really want in affiliate marketing. So today I want to share with you 5 powerful steps to be successful with affiliate marketing. And this is perfect if you're a beginner, but even if you've already done affiliate marketing successfully, this is going to be a really good way to get all those fundamentals in place so that you're even more successful with affiliate marketing. So let's get started with step number 1, and that is only promote products that you believe in. Now this is key and it's super important because if you don't believe in the product or if you're just promoting something to make money, then you're not going to promote it as well, as strongly, and guess what? People will pick up on that. But what's just as important about promoting products that you believe in is that you want to be sure that you're promoting good, trustworthy products to your audience. You're going to be building an audience of people, and it's so important that you keep their trust by only promoting high-quality products. Okay? So I only promote products that I believe in or that I actually use myself. And when I do that, I can have peace of mind of knowing that when I'm promoting something hard and I'm really excited about it, guess what? That's true. It's honest. It's real. And people pick up on that. And I can tell them real stories of how I use certain products, certain tools, certain software, and I can show them real examples of how I'm doing it. And when I do, guess what? That translates to trust, and trust translates to sales. So number 1, only promote products that you believe in. Number 2, and this is probably the most important thing around affiliate marketing that you could ever learn, and that is you must build an audience that knows you, likes you, and trusts you. You must build an audience. You can't just go out there and spam a bunch of people and try to get them to buy something that A, you maybe don't believe in that well, or B, they don't even know who you are. You've got to build an audience if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing. This is what a lot of people don't want to tell you. They just want to make it sound really easy and a piece of cake. Just go out and promote this link and you'll make it, right? But no, if you don't build an audience that knows you, likes you, and trusts you, guess what? You're not going to make very many sales. And then you're going to walk away and you're going to think, oh, that affiliate marketing thing, I tried it and it doesn't work. It's just that you didn't do it the right way. Okay, so what does it mean to build an audience? Well, it means that you're consistently creating content. Just like this video is quality content for you, you're going to be creating quality content for your audience, right? Your audience can be from a blog, from a podcast, from a YouTube channel, from a Facebook group, from Facebook Lives, from Instagram, from an email list. The bottom line is wherever you can create and build an audience, that's where you want to do it, ideally where your best audience hangs out already, okay? Now, I'm here on YouTube because a lot of my audience hangs out on YouTube, and I want to build a big, successful YouTube audience. So I'm already there building it, but I want to build it even bigger, right? So you must build an audience. What does that mean? It means you're publishing content consistently so that what? People get to know you, like you, and trust you. People won't buy from a stranger, right? They will only buy from somebody they know, like, and trust. So you've got to build up that trust factor, and that takes time. Again, that's one of those things that a lot of people on YouTube won't tell you the truth. They won't tell you that, yes, it takes work. Yes, it takes building an audience. And yes, it takes doing these things in order to build know, like, and trust factor. Number 3, have a lead magnet with a killer hook. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a situation where you give away something for free or very low cost, like $7, $17, something like that. But you give away normally something for free, like a PDF, a guide, a video training, anything like that, software, could be anything. Whatever it is that's valuable to your audience, you're giving it away for free on a web page. And what you do is you provide something that is perfect for your audience at that moment in time. So whatever they're thinking about, whatever they're wanting help with, whatever resource they need, you provide that resource. That's your lead magnet, because it's going to magnetize your audience to you. When they go to get that lead magnet, they're going to give you their name and email address. Now they're on your email list, and now they're in your audience. Probably the most important and the best way to build an audience is with an email list, okay? So even if you're doing Facebook Lives, even if you're doing a blog, even if you're doing a podcast, whatever it is that you're doing on the internet to promote your business, you always send them to what? To your lead magnet page, because when they go there, now they're in a form of traffic that you control. You now have a way to communicate with this group of people, this ever-growing group of people, and as you're communicating with them, you're building the what? Know, like, and trust factor. I'll give you an example of one of my lead magnets. I have several, but one of my main lead magnets is called the free online course kit. It's a way for somebody who wants to create an online course to get started in the online course business fast. It's a fast start kit. So all I did was I entered the conversation that was going on in their mind. In their mind, they're like, I want to create a course, but I don't know anything about this, right? So my kit walks them through the initial steps, the fundamentals, the beginning parts, right? So that they can feel comfortable taking the next step to create an online course. And so I'll give you an example of it. Just go to freecoursekit.com. That's freecoursekit.com, and you'll see my lead magnet in action. And if you enter your name and email address in there, you'll see how it works and how the next logical step goes into showing them how they can get involved with me and how I can help them with their online course business. So there's a good example of one of the lead magnets that I use. It's something that you can model, and you should model what I did there, and create a lead magnet that serves your audience with their unique and particular needs. Okay? Now, number 4 is consistently provide quality content to your audience. This means that you are consistently providing quality content. You're providing quality videos, quality podcasts, quality blog posts, quality lives, whatever it is that you're doing, wherever it is that your audience hangs out, that's where you want to be providing quality content. When you do this, your influence grows dramatically. People start to know you, they start to relate to you, they start to like you, and they start to trust you. And no sale happens until they know you, like you, and trust you. So content is a powerful way to build that factor. And then we go to step number 5. And step number 5 is for every 4 pieces of quality content that you put out there, you earn the right to do 1 promotional piece of content. Now it's 3 or 4 what you want to do. So what I might do is send out 3 emails that are high quality content that don't promote anything, or maybe do a very soft pitch at the end, like in the PS. 3 or 4 of those emails, and then I get a chance to what? Send a promotional email where I do promote something and I do go hard promoting that thing, right? This is where you finally get to promote your affiliate products, right? So by creating quality content, you earn the right, by building know, like, and trust factor, you earn the right to offer something that's promotional in nature. Think about it this way. When you watch a TV show or when you watch something on YouTube, you'll notice that there's content, and then they'll interrupt it with a commercial or an ad, right? Well, there's a certain ratio that works really well. And if you pay close attention, you'll see that you're watching a certain amount of content, and then they give you a short ad, and then a certain amount of content, and then a short ad. That's exactly what we want to do. We want to emulate what actually works, what works really well, and that is for every 3 or 4 quality content pieces, you earn the right to do 1 promotional piece of content. And that's how you make money with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm telling you the truth of how it works. I've been making money with affiliate marketing for over 23 years, right? And I still today make money with affiliate marketing. So I want you to know that anything I teach here on my YouTube channel is going to be the truth. It's going to be honest. It's going to be transparent. I want you to learn the right way and the real way to make money online. And hey, if it's a little tougher than everybody else says, so be it, because you're actually going to make money, right? All these other people are teaching like, hey, this is super easy, super simple, just do this, right? Well, that's all clickbait, just designed to get you to watch their video. But in the end, you watch the video and you still end up broke because they didn't tell you the truth. I want to tell you the truth on this channel. That's my goal here, is to help you be successful. And I know that you have what it takes. I know that you have that extra ability and desire to make things happen. And that's why I'm here to tell you the truth. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on what we talked about today. I'll see you next time.
Over the last 22 years, Dave Espino has built multiple online businesses, done over $140 million in sales, and helped over 800,000 people worldwide to learn how to make money online. And now, through Dave's Online Business Academy, Dave is going to teach you his money-making secrets and strategies so you can finally build the business of your dreams and enjoy life. When you enroll in the Online Business Academy, you'll instantly get access to over 50 of Dave's best money-making courses. And what's really exciting is, right now, you can get in at a crazy low price. Listen, if you've bought other courses or training in the past and not had the success you wanted, it's not your fault. There really are a lot of junk courses out there, but Dave is known worldwide as a master coach. Dave has been hand-selected to coach for entrepreneurial companies like Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels and Tony Robbins' mastermind companies as a master coach for their high-end clients. In fact, as you've already seen in this video, Dave teaches you how to make money online so that it's super easy to understand. That's probably because he's been making money online in various businesses since 1998, over 23 years. When you enroll in the Online Business Academy, you'll get courses on Dave's proven strategies, like writing sales copy, marketing your products, getting free traffic from Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, how to run ads, even new and amazing business opportunities, and much more. Altogether, these 50 courses normally retail for up to $5,000, but through this special YouTube offer, you can now get instant access to Dave's courses for less than the cost of a dinner. And you'll also get new courses added every month, keeping you constantly updated on the latest and best strategies for making money online. Listen, we don't know how much longer you'll be able to enroll in the Online Business Academy at this crazy low price. So go ahead and visit the link below to see how you can invest in yourself, start your own online business, and with Dave's help, discover how to live the life of your dreams.